You can see here cool water switch location is empty, only the hot water switch. Next we will open, then we will check how is inside. This is inside. You can see inside cool water section is empty. Next we will check what we required. We need some cables, one cooler on off switch, power on off switch for cooler, and cooling fan, power supply board. This is our 220 volt AC to 12 volt DC power supply board, because our Peltier cooling system working volt is 12 volt DC. Next, this is our Peltier cooling system. You can see the cooling tank, cooling water tank, and you can see the metal portion is heat sink. In between our Peltier cooling module. You can see the in between Peltier cooling module. Next, this is the connection for water. This is for cold water output. This is normal water input. So our cooling sensor, okay, it will sense how much cooling have inside the water. This is for fixing stand. This is the Peltier connection, 12 volt. We will connect here from the power supply board. Next, this power supply and this yellow color, this is the sensor. This sensor cable we will connect to power supply board, because it will help maximum cooling. When reach the maximum cooling with the power supply board, it will switch off with the help of this sensor. Next we need some hose for water inlet and outlet. Going for fixing cooler power supply on off switch. First we can remove all the cable connections. Then put no cables for cooling water system. Next we are going for fixing our cooling water system, our tank. This is our tank base. We will fix by screw. We are going to fixing there. We fix already with the screws. Next we are going for fixing cooling fan. We will fix this cooling fan for remove heat from the heat radiation. And that metal portion is the heat sink. We want to cool that heat sink with the help of this fan. Next we are going to remove the old normal water connection. We will remove the tubes. a rubber tube we remove already. This another connection, another tubes for connecting directly our normal water inlet. Next we are going for connecting cool water output. This is the cool water output. Then we are going for fixing power supply. This power supply is a plastic cover for fixing. This power supply we will fix by screw, 3 screws. We will fix like this. Before fixing the power supply, we will connect power cable. Use the 220 volt AC connection. You can connect. Next, this is the cooling module connection, 12 volt DC. Peltier supply, Peltier cooling module supply, 12 volt DC. Next, cooling fan, that's also 12 volt DC. Next we want to connect temperature sensor supply, water temperature. Next we will fix. Next we can just arrange the cable. Our inside work is completed. We are going for closing. Now we will close. Before closing we will check it will working or not. You can see the fan, and we will switch on. That cooling fan will work. See, it's working now because the Peltier cooling system and this fan is same supply, same 12 volt supply. When we will switch on, Peltier and this fan will work at a time. Next we can close the cover. You can see the power coming everywhere. The light indicator is working now. Next we will fix the water, then we will try. I already fix and switch on. We want to wait little time for cooling. After that we will take the water, cool water, then we will check. Okay, I already switch on half hour now. Take the water. It's coming, cooling water coming now. How cool now? We'll keep little time. If we will take in the cool water, we can see the outside water molecules from the atmosphere. Then we will understand. So I keep little time. See the outside. See, because I don't have temperature sensor for showing how much temperature, how much cooling. That's why I'm showing like this. See the outside. You can see the outside. Thank